Welcome again to lesson 40.
第40课一样。
This time we're doing 再 again.
再一次。
Yeah, we're doing it again, right? So, we're going to go straight into it. The other two forms of the character.
好，另外两个用法。
And the first example is continue.
继续 ，so you continue doing something.
Or
再
cannot continue, right?
对。
Okay, so let's give them examples.
好的，
All right. I cannot continue to wait.
我不能 ，I can't， 我不能再等了
Continue to wait, right? I can't
，I can't， 我不能再
continue
等
to wait.
了。好，所以我不能再等了。
对。Another example. I cannot continue to eat.
I'm full， 我不能再吃了。
So 我不能 I cannot
再吃了。
continue to eat.
是的。
All right.
我饱了，我不能再吃了。
Now let's say, for example, you're watching a very scary movie and you cannot continue to watch. What would you say?
我不能再看了。
Oh no!
我不能再看了。
So I cannot continue to watch. The next use of 在 is then. Okay.
对
So in this instance, there are two actions, so two verbs.
对，
Right, so you'll first have a subject, which would maybe be you.
是的，你、我、他、他。
A subject. And then you would have first.
先
So I first, and then action.
action。
Yeah, a verb. So
我
let's-
先
我先什么?
吃饭，
Okay, so I first eat, and then you'd have.
看电视，
But what do you need in the middle, right?
在
Okay.
Pause 的在看电视，
Okay, so you have subject, and then first,
先
and then you have a verb,
action 吃饭，
and then you have
在
在, and then you have a second verb.
看电视。
Okay?
然后 so the whole sentence。
Yep.
我先吃饭，再看电视。
Okay, so you'll first eat, and then you will watch TV.
是的，
Okay. Another example.
好。
I first will eat and then sleep.
我先吃饭，再睡觉。
Okay. Maybe I first.
洗澡。
You first have a shower. Yeah. You first
我
wash,
先洗澡，
and then watch a movie.
看电影，
I
再看电影。
read a book.
好，你要哪一个？
看书.
看书，好。
Okay. Just a verb.
Greedy。
We've done this before, okay? So we've done verbs with you guys before, I think, in a video loads of
对
days back.
很多动词了。
So this is concentrating on the 在. So you know, okay, so subject, then 先 and the first,
对
right?，
先
Then verb, 在
在
verb.
对，所以刚刚的例子是我先洗澡，
I
再
shower,
看书
then read a book.
对，看书 read a book，或是刚刚你有说看电影，对不对？
I did, and I said them both because I'm greedy. All right.
对，我先洗澡，再看电影。
Yeah, so I first shower and then watch a movie.
对，
Cool.
好的
You got it? Quick practice time, and then we're on to something else.
，practice time。
It's practice time. Continue.
在，
I cannot continue waiting.
我不能再等了，我不能再等了，
I cannot continue eating.
我不能再吃了，我不能再吃了，
I cannot continue watching.
我不能再看了，我不能再看了。
Then.
在，
I first eat, and then I sleep.
我先吃饭，再睡觉。我先吃饭，再睡觉。
I will first cook, and then watch TV.
我先做饭，再看电视。我先做饭，再看电视。
I will first shower, and then I'll go to bed.
我先洗澡，再去睡觉。我先洗澡，再去睡觉。再见，
再见，
拜拜
Another
，See you
use of 再
again，
Bye.
再见。